Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. I thought I'd go a little bit more with this one. So it doesn't really matter how far these circles are apart or ellipses. And this time we're going to have it snap to right to that intersection. So it's a big, kind of a fat one. Then I'm going to left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate. Move the center rotation of there and rotate it 60 degrees. And then rotate it again and again and again. And now you've got a totally different looking flower, or whatever you want to call it, petals. And this is the type of deal that you could really play around with the interactive fill tool and get some really neat fills. Let me zoom in here, get the interactive fill tool, go from there. Let's go from point to point. And really, let's try this time. Let's make that red and click on this one and make it yellow. So now we're going to have a lighter color inside. You don't really need this background lines, but we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Move that center rotation of there and rotate it 60 degrees. And you've got a totally different looking flower or petal or whatever you want to call it. And then like we did in the very first video, we could select it all and right click a line, and you could leave it black. Let's make it a little bit thicker, and let's make it a light green this time. Just see what it looks like. Totally different look. Pretty cool. There'll be this is part 3. I've got a link to the person who basically did a PDF on this same subject, right? Let me see if I can find it. Well, there'll be a link at the bottom of the video. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.